What up, YouTube people? This is today I'm gonna show you the catalog or the book for the TNT, which is only for California. So it's all buy one get one free right there. So the first is the mini monsters get one buy one free. The firecrackers. Okay. Then we have Purple Rain, and then American Spirit Sassler, Little Red Devil, Mad Dog Fountain, the TNT Mountain, the TNT Morning Glories, and Fuego, Black Widow, $5, 20 items under $5, Orchid, Piccolo PD 6-pack, Pacey Eyeballs, Viva the Football, TNT Blast. Okay, now this is the Pyro Pack Bag, which is $20. Got the TNT Value Bag, which is $29.99, and then the Family Pack, which is $39.99. The TNT 49er, $49.99. TNT All American, $79.99. We got the TNT Perfect Show, $99.99. We got the TNT Big Timer, $149. We got the Big Deluxe, $199, and then we got the Big Bang for $500. And then for the grand finales, we have the Delirium, $50. The opening show is $60. Game time is $40. It stacks up is $40. And then you could, I guess, they do an American Pride giveaway. Okay, for the back is Game Time, again, $40. This one Surfs Up, $11. Rainbow Race, $5.99. Chicken Fountain, $3.99. And Reese's, $3. And thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, or subscribe. Thank you.